Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to read every one of them. Y'all please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. And I've got a little update I want to tell you about at the end of this video, so please don't miss that. Mark Meadows said, let's get the stimulus checks out to the people, and let's throw in the post office funding in there too. Let's pass this bill tomorrow. This is just talk, because they always back up stuff like this with the phrase, the Democrats are holding it up. But if the truth be known, both sides are holding it up because they want only what they want and won't compromise with the other side. They act like a bunch of children. They don't know how to negotiate. Negotiation is all about compromise on both sides. Nancy Pelosi is wanting the Senate to return to Washington to pass a bill that would give stimulus checks and bail out the post office. Now, this is just my view on mail-in voting. I could be wrong. Donald Trump is against mail-in voting. He said it would be massive fraud. The way I see it, if you bail out the post office, they could hire more workers to ensure it won't be fraud. Democrats are wanting $25 billion for the post office, with $3.5 billion going just for mail-in voting. We now have a caucus of a select group of senators and lawmakers. They are working to get the bill passed without the party leaders because they see that the party leaders cannot come together on anything. They can't reach an agreement. They have failed miserably. So they're taking matters into their own hands. Now I'm going to ask you, what do you think about this? Do you think it will help, or will it just add to the problem? Let me know in your comments below. I would love to know what you're thinking about it. The good news in all of this is Nancy Pelosi is calling the House back to Washington, and she has asked Mitch McConnell to call back the Senate. Now, this may be a good sign of good things to come. We will have to keep an eye on this. Let's just see what happens. Y'all, this is the beginning of a new week. Who knows what could happen? If anything happens drastically today, I will make another video about it to let you know. I do have an update on my regular content, how to make money online stuff. I made a video the other day. It's getting pretty good views for not being about stimulus. Stimulus stuff gets a lot of views. When you put something else out there, it don't get as many views. But I'm happy with the views that it's getting. And I will link it at the end of this video on the end card. Please go watch it. Please share it out. And I will be making those videos every Saturday at 2 p.m. I will still continue to make the stimulus videos every morning at 6 a.m. And if something warrants a second video for the day, I will make it. And who knows what time that will be. It's just whenever it happens. Y'all, I love you all. We will get out of this. We just got to keep faith. Give it to God. Have faith in Him that He will see us through this. He always helps me before, and He will again. And He will help you too. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow or later on today, it all depends on what happens. I will see you then. Please go watch that video I made the other day. It's going to pop up here. It's probably already here. Go watch it and give it a thumbs up and leave your comments about it. I will help you make money online. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.